I'm Francesca D'Amore, and let's queer up the USA view. California Supreme Court upholds LGBTQ plus protections for elders in long-term care. California Supreme Court has upheld key protections for the LGBTQ residents in long-term care facilities, reversing a lower court ruling that had weakened the state's 2017 LGBT long-term care residence Bill of Rights. The law, authored by State Senator Scott Wiener and signed in 2017, ensures that transgender residents are housed according to their gender identity and that staff use their correct names and pronouns. A conservative group called Taking Offense had challenged these provisions, claiming they violated employees' free speech rights. But in a unanimous decision, the state's highest court disagreed. The justices ruled the law regulates discriminatory conduct, not protected speech, and is therefore constitutional. California Attorney General Rob Bonta praised the ruling, saying, quote, "All individuals deserve to live free from harmful, disrespectful rhetoric that attacks their sense of self, especially when receiving care necessary for their continued well-being," end quote. This decision cements California's commitment to protecting LGBTQ plus elders' dignity and safety in care settings. So I think in general, health care for anybody who's an older adult is pretty awful, right? And there's discrimination of all sorts, but in the LGBTQ community, you've got that extra layer of discrimination. Then if you're trans, there's a whole another extra layer. I myself have experienced it several times. And I think as we are stepping into 55 plus, or I don't know if it's 50 or 55 now, that's considered, elder or elderly or older.
Eligible for AARP.
There we go.
That was a minute ago.
Boy, yeah, something like that. It's, we need more protections than ever, and within our own community. And kudos to California for doing what they're doing.
Thank God for California.
Yeah, so hopefully that'll be a model for other states to follow, or perhaps, there'll be leaders in different communities that will create that model.
Sure.
And I know there are some organizations that are doing that, where it's within the organization to make sure that LGBTQ individuals are protected the way we should be protected, right? And treated the way we should be treated.
I used to say when I was coming, I would come home, I'm not safe out there. I have to hide, or I have to fight, or I have to, whatever, I have to lie, whatever I have to do to be safe out there. And then I come home where I still don't feel safe, right? That's a unique challenge for our community.